Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. How is everyone? Summer is here and it's hot in Houston. Well, don't let the weather get to you. I went to Range 99 on I-10 today and bought a block of salmon. One tip of buying salmon is always to look carefully at the color. It must be bright orange, fresh and moist. Once you buy yourself a fresh piece of salmon, the rest is easy peasy. There are spines and bones in a piece of salmon block like this. You can remove the spines and then fry the piece of salmon. You can also use salmon fillet for this recipe. Now I heat up the non-stick pan to a little more than medium. Use 4 to 5 minutes on each side. The desired result is to get a brownish crispy layer on the seared fish. Then flip it over with a spatula to the other side. Again, 4 to 5 minutes. I took 5 minutes for this piece of salmon block, which is quite thick. Once you have seared both sides well, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, a dash of salt and pepper, and if desired, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. If you find the glaze a little thick, just pour 1/4 cup of water to make the sauce a little runny. Lastly, I sprinkle a generous amount of toasted sesame seeds onto the salmon. Looks delicious and tastes even better. Honestly, it tastes like the teriyaki salmon that you find at a Japanese restaurant. This piece of salmon was paired with vegetables and rice. Truly an awesome dinner for the family in 15 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit my first 1,000 subscribers. If you like my simple, easy recipe, share them with your friends and family. Sharing is caring.